objective questions. So all of you open chapter 4 exercise. Okay, all of you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Open page number 82. Open page number 82. Everyone, number 82. Okay. All of page number 82. All of you opening.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So first fill in the blank. So everyone open page number 82. First fill in the blanks. First answer is gradient. First gradient tool creates a gradual blend between multiple colors. Between multiple colors. All of you written.
Yes, sir.
Second, blank space is used to select the adjacent and similar colored image area. What is the answer? Answer is magic wand. Magic wand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Magic wand. All of you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Second answer is magic wand. Third, blank space is used to freehand selection. Blank space is used for freehand selection. Answer is lasso tool. Page number 82. Page number 82. Lasso
Sir.
tool. Good morning, Lucky. Lasso tool. Third answer is lasso tool. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Third answer is lasso tool. All of you written.
Yes, sir.
Fourth answer. Documents history can be viewed from blank space. Answer here history panel. Right answer here history panel.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? History panel.
History panel.
Yes. Next fill in the blanks. Enhanced blank space will get more control with the wrap tool. Answer is transform wrap. Transform wrap. Suraj and Sweta, please mute the mic. Okay. Transform wrap. Okay. Okay, dear students.
Okay, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Next, Adobe Photoshop CC, popularly known as blank space, is a very popular photo and graphics editing software. Answer is Photoshop. Answer Photoshop. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next, state true or false. First, in Photoshop, we can only create one layer. What is answer? True or false?
False. False.
False.
Oh, very good. Next, the crop tool of Photoshop is used to crop the unwanted portion of the image. What is answer?
Yes. True. True.
True.
True, sir.
True. Yes, very good. Third number, lasso tool is a freehand selection tool in polygonal shape. True. Answer is true.
Yes, sir.
Next, next question. Properties tab display the various editable properties of the current objects, comma tools, etc. What is the answer? True.
True.
Yes, answer is true. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, next selection tool creates a gradual blends between multiple colors. False.
False.
Written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, marquee is a blinking or moving lines selection border. Answer is
True.
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 Yes, answer is true.
True. Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, multiple choice questions. Next, write multiple choice question. The
Twice.
latest version of Photoshop is called. What is the answer?
CC.
Done.
CC, sir.
Very
2021
good.
CC.
Very good. CC, not bottle. Okay, next.
Yes.
Blank the space, discard everything outside the select area of an image. So
Selection
answer
tool.
is crop tool.
Crop tool.
What?
Crop tool.
Tool.
Crop tool.
Yeah,
Crop
yeah.
tool.
Yes, answer is B. There are blank space number of marquee tool in Photoshop CC. What is answer?
4.
Oh, very good. Next, the paint bucket is available under space tool. Answer is gradient tool.
Guardian. Guardian tool.
What is
The B of
next? Blank space
Guardian.
is used to set sensitivity of colors to fill or select. What is answer?
Selection tool.
Tolerance.
Selection
Tolerance.
tool.
Where is written selection tool answer? Show me.
Sir. Answer over.
Show me answer. Where is written? Here is color to fill here given na. So go in color option and select the answer. Okay. Next, we can select predefined gradient blank space to be applied in an image. So what is the answer?
Marquee tool. Preset.
Who told marquee tool? We can select predefined gradient. Predefined gradient to be applied an image. Comes on predefined image in here given now. Just wait. Open book. Everyone open.
सर प्रीसेट होगा ना
Yes, yes. So open book. I'm showing your answer. Anywhere written. Wait. Yes, page number 80. Open everyone, page number 80. Opening. Go in gradient tool. In gradient tool, first point, second, third, fourth. In fifth point, read everyone. In fifth point, read everyone. Fifth point, read everyone.
The gradient tool allows you to fill an area with a range of colors in a specified pattern by bleeding two or more colors. Gradient can be filled with linear, radial, angle, reflected, and diamond gradient.
In 1, 2, 3, fourth point, read fourth point. It is started from to select gradient color. Click on the gradient in the option bar and gradient editor dialog box will open. You can select either the preset or select your own color from the gradient picker given.
Sir, I already told preset is answer.
Yes, but many students are not satisfied now. Okay, so I am showing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, D section completed. First, which company has created Photoshop CC?
Adobe.
Which company has
Adobe.
created Photoshop CC?
Adobe.
Sir, I just created.
Adobe.
Yes, very
Adobe.
good. Yes. Second question. What is the latest version of Photoshop?
Photoshop CC.
Next, what is the full form of CC?
Creative Cloud is the full
Creative
form of
Cloud.
CC.
Very good. Which tool is used for freehand selection in a polygon shape?
Lasso tool is used for freehand selection in the Photoshop polygon shape.
Yes, very good. Which tool is used to move a portion of an image to a new place?
Paint bucket tool can fill color in an image.
This tool is used to move a portion of an image to a new place. So
Move
answer
tool is
cross
used to move the portion of the image to the new place.
Paint bucket.
Move tool.
Where is written paint bucket tool? Come on the first, come on crop tool, okay?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, answer is move tool.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where is answer written?
Sir, is refined In last point, last third point. Crop
Last point here given, the paint bucket tool fill an area of an image based on color similarity.
the last fourth point. Move tool.
Yes, move tool is used to drag a selected part of an image to a new location on the image. Here
The new
given, which
location
tool
here.
is used to move a portion of image to a new place. Yes,
New location.
yes.
So the answer is move tool.
Come page number 79. Come in page number 79. Here also given move tool. This tool is used to drag a selected part of an image to a new location of an image given.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Next. Answer written.
Yes, sir.
Move tool.
Sir, the
Next,
answer is
which
move
tool
tool,
can
no?
fill color in an image?
Paint bucket tool.
Paint bucket tool.
Paint bucket tool.
Paint bucket tool. Very good. Very good. Next, all of you completed jumble words.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First,
First answer is
Mercury.
okay. Good. Second,
Elliptical.
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 Okay. Good. Third,
Photoshop.
Photoshop.
good.
Fourth, gradient.
Yes, sir.
Fifth,
Gradient.
magic wand.
Magic wand. Fifth is magic wand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All of you written.
The fifth number, sir.
Yes, sir.
Page
Magic
number
wand.
84. First is magic wand. Second, match the following answer. Right. Match the following first, fourth. Second,
Lasso.
second number.
Lasso.
Fifth. Yes, fifth number. Third, A. Third first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fourth number, third. Written.
Yes, sir.
And fifth number, second.
Cropping crop.
Yes. All of you written answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And all of you know what is the syllabus of PT2. Write
Yes, sir.
again.
Chapter
Write again.
1,
Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Chapter 4 and 5.
Yes, sir. Sir, when PT2 is test?
16 August.
I don't know, dear students, but PT2 now coming in August. Okay,
Okay, sir.
exact date is not remained, but in August after 15th August. Okay, chapter 1,
Okay, sir.
chapter 4, and 5. All three chapter will come in PT2 exam. Okay, this is your
Yes,
syllabus.
sir.
So all of you completed.